Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize Material 3 Expressive UI in Android 16 on your Google Pixel 10a. So Google Pixel presents a new customization features that haven't been available before. That's basically lets us create our own UI on the phone in a couple simple steps using artificial intelligence help, of course. And to do that, we're gonna have to go to Settings, then open Wallpaper and Style, and in this menu we'll be able to change the lock screen by selecting the lock screen and then scrolling down to lock screen settings, or we can change the home screen. Or before we do that, we'll be able to choose new wallpapers that also can be customized. So for example, we can use live effects wallpapers using any of the photos that we have on our phone. So we can just straight away grab the photo from the gallery, wait until it's downloaded, and then the AI machine will create a preset for us. So we can adjust this we can adjust the color of the background. We can adjust the shape in which we want to put this photo. We can also show the weather and change the weather on the photo and adjust the intensity of it. And we can also apply 3D effects to the photo by selecting cinematic and switching the toggle on to add the 3D motion to this photo. However, this photo is not suitable for 3D effects, so maybe let's grab another photo like this one. And as you can see, it also created a specific shape that cut out people and put them in the front of the photo. And now we can also adjust the weather that we see here. So yeah, so this one is more presentable. As you can see, the weather here looks more realistic. And now in cinematic effects, no, we still cannot apply the 3D motion to this photo, but I guess after a couple of tries, we'll definitely be able to find something that will let the photo move that when we're moving our smartphone. Now let's go to the specific customization features. So the first one we see right here is the theme pack, and yeah, we basically can download one of the available theme packs. So right now we have this SpongeBob featured themes with icons and wallpapers and sound effects, and we can also customize them. So we can use the wallpaper, one of the available ones. We can adjust the colors, the app icons too, the clock view, the gifts to be pinned in Gboard, and the sounds also. We can also check the sounds for ringtone, alarm, and notifications, and then apply this theme pack straight to our smartphone. Then we can also adjust the clock style. So in the clock menu, we'll be able to change the style of it, the size of it, width, the color of it, and also change its position on the screen. In the shortcuts, we'll be able to select which shortcut we want to put on our device, on our device's bottom edges on the lock screen. In notifications, so we'll of course be able to adjust notifications for our lock screen. However, it's nothing new. It just looks slightly differently, but it's pretty much the same thing as we used to have on previous Android versions. And here we have more lock screen settings for more customization. Now the real customization, in my opinion, is going on the home screen, since here we can adjust the colors and the icons, and we can actually create the icons for our smartphone right now simply by selecting the icons menu, then selecting create icon in here, and then we're gonna have to select a style, and yeah, and then for example we can change a specific icon, for example this one. Let's say I don't like this icon, and let's also add a comment that we want a different kind of cookies here, and then let's generate a new style. Okay, and so yeah, this way we can create custom icons that are unique for our smartphone, and then we'll be able to download this style and apply it to our screen. Now let's see what else we have here. So we have colors, we have color contrast, we have the layout too. So right now we have 4 different options to choose from, and then apply the one that we like. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how we can customize our entire smartphone in seconds and use custom icons for our smartphone thanks to these new features. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.